Hey guys, RC Rose Productions here. In this video we're going to be breaking in my SH-18 engine that I got installed in my RS4. It's the first 60-degree day of the year, so we're going to be doing the break-in now. So I don't have a temp gun on me at the moment, but I will when I break in the OS 21TM in my T-Max there. So I'm just going to be preheating it with a heat gun. Just gonna ballpark estimate it, just get it warmed up for the preheat. And also going to have it at bottom dead center. I have the flywheel. I did little markings there. You can see right there, there's two little scratches I made so I can know when it's at bottom dead center. So for the first tank, the first 4 tanks, we're gonna be idling it. So we're gonna be doing the Adam Drake method. So now on to the break-in. Be having it run floppy rip for the first tank. Alright, so the tank is almost to the bottom, and you want to shut it off before it gets to the bottom because it'll lean out. If it'll quit. I don't think it will. I'll do it this way. There we go. Now we're going to make sure it's at bottom dead center and then let it cool. Okay, let's find it here. There we go, bottom dead center. Now we're going to let it cool. Okay, now on to tank 2. Okay, now it's back down almost to the bottom. We're going to quit the engine. I'm going to try it this way. There we go, that worked. And now make sure it's at bottom dead center. And then let it cool. Gotta get it there first. There we go. All those little marks are lined up. Now we let it cool. All right, start up for tank number 3. All right, once again, the fuel has almost completely ran out. You can see the line there. So. There we go. All right, so now we're going to be moving it to bottom dead center again here. Okay, be careful, it's going to be very hot. Oh, whoops, I missed it there. Take it around again. Let's see here. There it is. Okay, now it's at bottom dead center, and once again, we're gonna let it cool. Okay. Here we are for our final tank of idling for break-in on the 4th tank. Here's a startup. Alright, now we're at the bottom of the 4th and final tank of idling, so now we're going to kill the engine. And we're going to make sure that piston is at bottom dead center. Okay. There we go. Mark is lined up. And now we'll let it cool that way. Alright, so now that we've done the 4 tanks of idling for braking, we're going to do the first tank of driving. You're just going to be going quarter throttle gently for a few seconds and then braking for this 5th tank. Sorry that it's dark out, we kind of ran out of time. There we go. And now it's out. Alright, now we're going to, bring it to bottom dead center, which we're going to do after we quit filming because we need light. Okay, now it's time to do the 6th tank. For the 6th tank, we'll be doing half throttle for about 5 seconds or so. Just smoothly accelerating to half throttle and then braking. Okay, for the 7th tank of braking, we'll be doing 3/4 throttle. It's gradually accelerating to 3/4 throttle for a couple seconds and then braking. Okay, there we go. Alright, now that it's ran out of fuel, we're going to make sure that the piston is once again at bottom dead center, and then let it cool. Okay, let's see here. And there we go. Bottom dead center. Alright, so now we're doing the final and 8th tank of break-in. So we're going to be gradually accelerating to full throttle for a few seconds and then braking. Also for this run, we're going to have the body on because the body raises engine temperature a little bit. So the engine needs to get used to that as well. Alright, now that the engine has ran out of fuel, we're going to bring it to bottom dead center to let it cool. There we go. And after that has cooled, that concludes the break-in of our SH-18 engine in my RS4 3 Evo. Thanks for watching. Please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.